So this is our owl house that's mounted up on top of our fence here in our backyard. It backs to this hillside, so there's a lot of wildlife, and we've always heard owls screeching, so thought I'd build it, and lo and behold, we had a couple of owls nest in there this summer. They had some eggs, a couple babies. See if there's anyone home. Mr. Owl or Mrs. Oh God. They were in there for, I don't know, maybe 3-4 months, screeching, catching rodents for us, and sadly they left about a month ago. So I decided to put a camera in there this time. So got it all cleaned out and bought a Wi-Fi camera that I'm going to mount in there now. So here's what the owl house looks like on the inside. I've got these latches for cleaning out from the top. So I've got some fresh bark in there. And then there's also a latch that opens on the side. I'll just show you there. So it opens like such. So got it all cleaned out all the rodent skeletons and bones and all the pellets that the owls left behind. And then there's the opening that they come in. And so I was playing around with different locations for the camera and decided to mount it on the ceiling, pointing down like this from this corner, from this back corner. So we'll see how it goes. So here's the hardware I'm gonna install. I decided to get the Reolink Argus 2, and there's a bunch of YouTube videos on that if you want to check it out. But what drew me to this is that it's totally wireless and uses an optional solar panel to keep the rechargeable batteries fully charged at all times. So here it is, and I'm going to plug that in, mount that here on the fence or on the owl house itself. So it'll be totally wire free, and I'll be able to live stream it on my phone anytime I want. It's got the motion detection, and best of all, the night vision performance seems to be one of the best out there for a wireless system. So check it out. So here it is, mounted to the ceiling. I use the magnetic mount. It's a pretty strong magnet, and I don't think that's going to be a problem. It'll be tucked away in the corner, so I'm hoping the owls don't get too rambunctious in there and and knock it loose. I don't think that'll happen. But so then swing this closed. See that? There we go. So it'll be right in this back corner, and I'll show a sample footage right here. So I went ahead and plugged the solar panel into the charging port right in the back there. It's all self-sufficient. And then what I did here, I just went ahead and put a little notch in the back. That's where the cable will just route through. So I finished routing the solar power cable through the back of the house and just tidied it up. And I decided to actually mount the solar panel just a little offset from the house to the back of this chain link fence, just because I noticed some owl poop like right behind the house. So I didn't want to get the solar panel covered up. So I just used a piece of 2x4 and mounted it straight to the fence. And our house is facing to the south, so I get sun all day long. So I think the requirement is 2 hours of direct sunlight to keep the battery fully charged. So that should do it.